In today's segment, the central question is simple yet extremely serious. Is Bangladesh currently ready for a genuinely free, fair, and democratic election? Looking at recent political developments, allegations, and overall public sentiment, many analysts and citizens are raising one key concern. Bangladesh at this moment does not have an election-friendly environment. These reasons behind this concern can be viewed from several angles. First, there is a deep crisis of public trust in the electoral process. In any democracy, elections function properly only when citizens believe that their vote will be counted honestly and reflected in the final result. However, in Bangladesh, a series of controversial elections, allegations of irregularities, low participation of opposition parties, and one-sided contests have gradually eroded that confidence. A common perception has grown among many voters. Everything is already decided. Our vote will not change anything. When such disbelief becomes widespread, it is difficult to describe the environment as truly election ready. Second, question has been raised about the absence of a level playing field for all political parties. A fair election requires that every party can campaign, organize rallies, and reach voter disproportionate obstacle. In reality, opposition parties frequently report arrest, legal cases, and various form of pressure surrounding their political activities. At the same time, programs of the ruling side often take place with comparatively fair restrictions. When one side enjoys greater access to state resources, public space, and media platform, while the other side faces continuous challenge, the election may still be held in the tactical sense, but it struggles to qualify as a true competitive process. Third, there is a concern over a shrinking space for freedom of expression before any meaningful election as society needs open debate, criticism, and discussion. On television talk show, in newspaper, on social media, and in public meeting, yet journalist activities and ordinary citizens often report fear of legal action, professional consequences of or online harassment for expressing critical views. In such an atmosphere, many people choose silence over speaking out. When citizens cannot freely question those in power or express dissatisfaction without fear, the real opinion of the people does not fully appear. As a result, an election in this environment risks becoming more of a formality than a genuine reflection of public will. All of these raise an important point. The question is not whether elections should be held, but whether the conditions of credible election have been properly established to move toward a genuinely election-ready environment in Bangladesh. Several steps are widely discussed, ensuring equal political space for all parties, protecting freedom of speech so that criticism is not treated as a crime, building a strong, independent, and trusted election commission, guaranteeing neutral behavior from administration and law enforcement agencies, replacing the culture of fear and violence with dialogue, tolerance, and non-violence. The Constitution of Bangladesh states that state power belongs to the people and that this power will be exercised through free, fair, and regular election. However, constitutional text alone is not sufficient. This word must be matched by reality on the ground. Until issues of trust, fairness, freedom, and neutrality are meaningfully addressed, many observers will continue to argue that Bangladesh as of now is not truly ready for a free, fair, and credible election. Please subscribe my channel and